Good morning, everyone. Hope that you all are fine and doing well. And we are meeting after a long time. After a long puja vacation, we are meeting again. And from today onwards, we will start our online classes again, okay? So, kids, in our previous class, we have learned about the homes of animals. You all remember or not? Very good. And we have learned that just like human beings, you, me, animals also have sweet home. Yes, we all love our homes and houses in which we stay with our family. Just like all of us, animals also loves their homes very much. So now we have learned that homes of animals and what is the names of the homes of animals. So today we will do a quick revision session on the homes of animals again. Okay, let's start. So kids, today again we are going to learn about homes of animals. Yes, animals and their homes. In our last class before puja vacation, we have learned about homes of animals. Now today we will do the revision of all the homes of animals that we have learned in our last class or previous class. Okay, now let's start. Let's see who remembers the homes of animals. A dog lives in a kennel. A dog lives in a kennel. You all know that. A dog lives in a kennel. 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 A dog house is called kennel. A cat lives in a cat house. A cat lives in a cat house. CATHOUSE. Cat house. So the house of the cat is called cat house. A hen lives in a coop. A hen lives in a coop. 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 So the house of the hen is called coop. A horse lives in a stable. A horse lives in a stable. 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 A horse lives in a stable. A pig lives in a pigsty. A pig lives in a pigsty. PIG. Pig. STY. Sty. Pigsty. The house of the pig is called pigsty. A rabbit lives in a burrow. A rabbit lives in a burrow. 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 The house of rabbit is called burrow. A cow lives in a shed. A cow lives in a shed. 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 The house of the cow is known as shed. A bear lives in a cave. A bear lives in a cave. 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 The house of the bear is called cave. A lion lives in a den. A lion lives in a den. 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 The house of the lion is called den. A goat lives in a farm. A goat lives in a farm. 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 The house of the goat is called farm. A tiger lives in a cave. A tiger lives in a cave. 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 The house of the tiger is called cave. A duck lives in a ponds and lakes. A duck lives in a ponds and lakes. Ponds, ponds, and lakes, lakes. A duck lives in a ponds and lakes with their family. A sheep lives in a pen. A sheep lives in a pen. Pen, pen. The sheep house is called pen. An elephant lives in forest. An elephant lives in forest. Forest, forest. An elephant lives in forest. And a goose lives in a ponds and lakes. Just like ducks, a goose also lives in ponds and lakes. Ponds, ponds, and lakes, lakes. A goose lives in a ponds and lakes. So kids, now you all understood the names of the homes of animals. Yes, very good. Let us do the quick revision again, okay? Everybody repeat after me. A dog lives in a kennel. A cat lives in a cat house. A hen lives in a coop. A horse lives in a stable. A pig lives in a pigsty. A rabbit lives in a burrow. A cow lives in a shed. A bear lives in a cave. A lion lives in a den. A goat lives in a farm. A tiger lives in a cave. A goose lives in ponds and lakes. A sheep lives in a pen. An elephant lives in a forest. And a duck lives in a ponds and lakes. So kids, today again we have learned about the names of the homes of animals. Learn it properly at home. Learn along with the spellings and memorize it, okay? It is so important to know about the importance of homes in which we live, okay? And hope that you all have enjoyed puja a lot, staying at home and staying safe and healthy. Okay, take care everyone. We will meet again. Thank you.